Hello everyone, this is Vicky from Gaji district of Bihar, and now I am standing at the edge of river. Okay, so I show you. This is a river. Okay, and in this river not much water. There is a less water, and it's following of water is this side to this side. Okay, and I think you may be hearing the voice of tractor, because other side of this river farmers are tilling the field with the help of tractor. Okay, so I have come to walk with my friends, but my friend is not with me now. He has gone this side. Okay, they don't want front of camera because they told no, you make yourself video. Okay, I'm going to walk for other side. Okay, I will come when will you finished your video. Okay, it means when will you make, then after that I will come. Okay, and it means I can say this is a shy boy. Okay, and now you can see there are many trees around me, and I am standing on the path. This is a local path through farmer cattle. They come and go. Okay, and now I'm going to show you mountain. This is a mountain. This is my local mountain, and when I was in the class 6 and 6th and 7th, I remember that time I used to take my cow on this mountain. Okay, but we can say it is a hill. Okay, because its height is not more, and this is a field of edge of river. This is the field of edge of river. Okay, and people irrigate the crop with the help of motor, and sometimes they help from they help from they help from they, they get help from river. Okay, I, sorry, and now I am enjoying the making video, and you can see this is a little boy who is riding the bicycle. Okay, and with me one another boy, and that is go away. Okay, you can't see. Okay, if I try to show him, then you will not be able to see, because they went at least 500 meters away to me. Okay, I was thinking much. Suddenly I tried to capture him in the video, but he always know me when he because we are going to the river, and there he will must make video. Okay, he must make video, and that boy is enjoying the riding of bicycle, because initially in the starting most of the boys, children especially, they are fond of riding bicycle. Then after that, then he will then after riding he will be experienced, then they will be their I think I can say their excitement will be decreased. Okay, and what now I am here, but last 2 days I didn't upload video on my channel. By the way, I made video I made video one on railway platform in Patna, but that time I wanted to upload, but due to network problem, I couldn't upload video. Okay, so I was regretting so much. I skipped 2 days, and I have experienced and I have realized, I have felt in last 2 days, because when you practice regularly, then you have habit of speaking English. But when you start skipping day of speaking English, and you have make some routine, and you are not following, then I think if you do like me, then your routine will be useless. Okay, but even then after that, I'm making this video because I have promised to you all, and I have mentioned in my description also. Anyhow, I have to complete this 60 days complete speaking English challenge. Okay, come what may, I don't matter, I don't think much, but this is my responsible to complete 60 days, and in 60 days I will see myself, okay, how much I have increased of speaking English, or anything word meaning, how many word meaning I have remembered, because words meaning is most important for making sentences. If you have less word meaning, then you will not be able to form you will not be able to format the sentences. So now, but I'm getting down. Okay, I'm getting down to the river. Okay, I will show you the stream of river water. Okay, from this side. Okay, from this side water is coming, and they are going this side. Okay, not much water, there is a very little water. Okay, its flow is very slow. And this is a date tree. Do you know what date? Village people called khajur. This is so, and behind me, you know what kind of tree this is? If you know, then you can comment me. Okay, so thank you for today. Bye. I will meet you in the next video. So till then, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.